Hello kids! Let's find the sound of letter B through story and a phonic rhyme. There is a boy who is named Ben. He always gets up early in the morning, brushes his teeth, baths, eats breakfast, and packed his school bag with his books, a snacks box, and a water bottle. Then he goes to school by bus. After coming home from school, he wants to play with his friends. He called his friends to bring their bat and ball like this. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. So come on children, repeat the rhyme with me. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. This is the sound of letter B. So children, now let's see more words with the sound of letter B. B, boy. B, bat. B, ball. B, bus. B, bag. B, banana. B, balloon. These are sounds with letter B. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more interesting such videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.